is avocado sandwich. My daddy likes sandwich. Today is my daddy's birthday. Today I am going to make avocado sandwich for my daddy. Yay! We need avocado, 2 avocados, onion, 1 onion, bread, 4 slices of bread, salt and lime. We need half slice of lime. Let's get started. Now we need to peel the avocados and put it in a bowl. This is very dangerous. Take mom's help. First we need to cut the avocados and we need to put it in the bowl. Look at the avocado. Avocados are healthy. We need to take the seed. That's yucky. You don't eat it. That's danger. Now we need to mash the avocado with the fork. Now add some black pepper. Now add some salt. Now squeeze lemon. Squeeze the lemon with the lemon squeezer. Are you ready? I know you're ready now. And let's do it. Now mix it well with the fork. Now we need to cut this onion into small pieces. Mommy will do this part. Look at this, we need to cut the onions like this. Let's add onion. Now mix it well. Now we will toast the bread in a pan. Mommy will do this part. Toast the bread on a medium flame. Now we need to flip the bread. Now toasted bread is ready. Take it in a plate. I like toasted bread. Now flip the bread to the other side. Now toasted bread is ready. Shift to the plate. Look at the toasted bread. The toasted bread is very yummy. I like the smell. Now cut these bread slices into triangle shape. Look at this, it's triangle shape. Now we need to apply this mixture to the triangle. Look at this yummy avocado sandwich is ready. Yay! It looks colorful. It's an easy recipe. Try it at your home. You can make it for your parents. I need to give it to my father on his special day. If you like my video, give a big thumbs up. I'm going to surprise my daddy. I'm going to give it to my daddy. Bye. For watching, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.